Hi, Edith. I was just looking at your citations, and for the most part, the content looks great, but your formatting looks a little bit weird, and I was trying to figure out why you had this weird spacing in here. And what I'm seeing is it looks like you are hitting enter at the end of the lines, and you should not do that. Um, you should let Microsoft Word do the formatting for you. So I'm just removing this spacing here, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what I turned on so you can see these, see this little backwards P right here? This, when you have this on and off, it just shows you your formatting in there. And so when I turn it on, I can see there's a little backwards P every time you hit the enter key. There's a little space when you hit the space bar, and you can just, sometimes when things look weird, you can turn that on just to see what's happening. But what you need to do is you need to highlight your citations, and then you can either right click in the highlighted portion and click on paragraph, or you can come up here next to paragraph and click on this little arrow. It makes the paragraph dialog box pop up. Both of them actions make this happen. And then here in the middle where it says indentation and see where it says special, you'll just come to the drop down box and you'll just click hanging. Okay, so if you click OK, then that's going to automatically give your second lines of your citation a 0.5-inch hanging indent. So you don't want to be hitting enter within the citation. Let Microsoft Word do that for you. I'm also seeing some extra spacing between your citations here. So again, if we highlight, do the same thing, get that paragraph dialog box to pop up. See this little box here that says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style? If you click this and then click OK, it'll make that go away. And I know it's little and picky, but it's something that I notice. And you shouldn't have all this extra spacing on your page. So hopefully that helps you. Let me know if you have any questions.